completed. And actually, I am staying in USA, California, so it was like contacting them. I have to stay in the night and contact them in the morning, but they were giving everyday update. What is the project? How is the progress about the project and all? And the project manager, he was updating to us every day about.
We completed this project without even traveling to here. We are in abroad in California, and everything is done by us.
This is my kitchen. We want the open kitchen. We the output cannot do because there are not too many boxes or anything. There is enough storage, but still it's like open kitchen. We have good ventilation over there, and I was not aware of the design.
This bedroom because it has the beautiful birds and trees, and I really like it because I like nature, and so it's really beautiful. The views and the birds and the mist with us, and the brown trees and the grass, the green grass, and
we recommend Fardo who is looking for interiors staying abroad because you don't need to we don't need to do the overlook of the project because they take care of everything.
Welcome to my family. This is my new home. We got it the interior done by Fardo. We like the work they have done and the process they have done for the home. They have chosen good colors for the interior designing, for texture paint, and we like the output for it. We came to know about Fardo through Facebook portal. The Salapuria portal group is there and they posted about the Fardo, and we contacted Fardo customer service. They gave very good free, output for us, giving the 3D design, which we liked that design. Then we contacted the interior designer and the project manager. They have done a very good job. The interior designer, they gave the output, showed all the 3D design aspects, how the house will look after the designing. So we came to know before itself how my home is going to look when the project is completed. And actually, I am staying in USA, California, so it was like contacting them. I have to stay in the night and contact them in the morning, but they were giving everyday update. What is the project? How is the progress about the project and all? And the project manager, he was updating to us every day about the progress in the project. So it helped us in completing the project successfully. Otherwise, it would have become a little bit tough for us managing everything from there to here.
Yeah, we completed this project without even traveling to here. We are in abroad in California, and everything is done by Fardo, and we just contacting through phone and videos they are showing to us, but they did wonderful job, and especially that Utpal, who is the project manager for this unit. He worked morning to evening in the site, and he is keep giving updates. He's the best project manager what I have seen so far in interior designs.
Fardo people, they helped us in selecting the paints and the design, the texture paint. Actually, I'm not aware of both the texture paint, which one is good. Kiran was helping me when I reached their office to decide which one will be good, because I want to choose other stuff, but he was recommending to go for this kind of paint, and the final output we liked it. And fall ceiling also, it came out, the output was good. Actually, first initially we never thought of going for the fall ceiling, but after seeing the 3D design and how it will look based on the 3D view, we decided okay, we'll go with the fall ceiling, and it came out very good, the fall ceiling also. And the TV unit, the design, it is giving very good look for the home, because this is an apartment. What if the color selection was good, and instead of keeping a stand or something, what I felt, this design looks very good actually. It was there in my mind, and when I saw the design, I liked it. Welcome to the master bedroom. Here we have the texture paint done on this wall. This is a big wall. Actually, selecting texture paint was very tough for this wall. We had initially another paint done, but they gave Furlough very good feedback because we didn't even like the output what it was there. And when we checked with them, they also agreed, yeah, the output was not good. So they redid it again, everything, and they did the new paint intent, they gave new texture for the wall, which looks very good actually. This is the design what I was expecting, but before it was different, but they were very kind, helpful in redoing the work again for the texture paint. And about the wardrobes, I should say these wardrobes, we want big wardrobes and we want the chocolate color. So these are the veneer wardrobes. These are according to our expectations because whatever in the 3D design we saw the same output it came out. So we liked it. And especially for the dressing unit, this is very beautiful and it came out very good actually. This is what we are expecting from the dressing unit compared to all the other units. The dressing unit was, when we look at it, it looks very good and very useful also here.
Yeah, this dressing unit is highlight for entire this
Master bedroom.
master bedroom. Even though my neighbors came and visit this master bedroom, everyone gave that feedback. This
Wardrobe is very
wardrobe
good.
is very good. Came out of good. And I think even they contact some of them for also about this activity.
This is my kids' bedroom. They are very much excited about this room. They want to see the output very good. They want that design, and especially my daughter, she wants the birds to be pink and all. This design I selected when I went to Furlough office. It came out very good. And my son likes the wardrobe. He wants the wardrobe to be designed in this manner, very comfortable, where he can keep his toys and everything. So we felt happy. Let them tell in their own words. Sure, go ahead.
Okay, so usually I know that normally people don't put actual designs on the thing and they just put paint, right? But my sister was very happy that they put the tree design with the birds, and I think the colors fit perfectly for children with the pink and blue. And the wardrobe colors also I think fit perfectly since the white really feels like it's a children's room, as the master bedroom had more chocolate color, but the white feels more like children. And also how they designed the wardrobe, like the mirror in the middle and the two cabinets. It's very practical. And also, my sister also loved this wardrobe for all her stuffed animals and toys.
I really like this bedroom because it has the beautiful birds and trees, and I really like it because I like nature, and so it's really beautiful. The beams and the birds and the nest of happiness, and the brown trees and the grass, the green grass and the green leaves. So that's what I really like in this bedroom.
This is my kitchen. We want the open kitchen. The output came out good because there are not too many boxes or anything. There is enough storage, but still it's like open kitchen. We have good ventilation over there, and I was not aware of the design right now, like what is the latest trends going on, because I was staying in abroad from long time. So the designer helped us in deciding what will be good so that it will be more spacious. As you see that space, there is a little bit space constraint, so she suggested if it is this way it comes out good, and we liked it the way it came out. And the designer gave us the soft close for the cupboards, and it was very useful. Like I have seen at other places, because of the wind or something, if you push they make a lot of sound, but they suggested us to go for the soft close for all the cupboards here. So, and they gave the tandem boxes and cutlery tray in there, which I was not aware, even it was first time experience, but still they did a very good job giving all these results for us. And even we liked here whatever they gave, that mirror and tandem, keep the stuff, they gave soft close here also. So
we recommend Fardo who is looking for interiors staying abroad, because you don't need to we don't need to do the overlook of the project, because they take care of everything. And even in our case, we stayed in California, and everything we turnkey project kind of thing, we gave it to them, and they hand over back to us with beautiful interior designs. So we recommend people whoever is staying not in Bangalore or in
Outside.
outside of the location, so they can trust Pardo, and they can give the project to them. And we are happy with them, and I can rate them out of 10, it's 9. Because that I can rate 10 out of 10, it's, but there are little bit, but I recommend out of 10, 10, but yeah, anyone want to take the project, give it to project, no issues. You can hand over the project to them, and project will come out good. I think she will done.
I also like the timely approach, whatever they are communicating to us, because communication, like whatever update needs to be done, they updated using the Skype. They updated what all 3D design, whatever they have done, and what all the output is coming. Every day they send the photos to us and show us. And when I came, actually, I felt like it's the same. Whatever it is going on, they are updating us, and we felt the material they used also. They showed us everything, like what material they are using. That way, we were happy. Like instead of coming here and looking over the project completely, I felt happy that almost it was ending by the time I came. So I was happy with the work. It went till then without me staying here.